Chef Eric's mystery stress ball. Let me tell you, the stress balls are only going to get worse and worse. This is item, and the boys have to guess what's inside, and if they jump fastball, illegal. They got